Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can wrap text around an image in Google Docs. First step is we have to insert our image. So if you click on insert, you have option image over here. You can upload it from your computer, you can search the web, drive, etc. So I'm going to upload it from my computer. So let's say I have this part, or this one actually. I'm going to open it. Firstly, I'm going to resize it a little bit to make this smaller. And after that, you have to click on this wrap text. So make sure you have image selected, click on wrap text. And now it's going to wrap the text around the image, as you can see. So you can drag it or resize it even more. You can then change the margin. So this means the space between the text and the image. So if I do 1.16, you can see the margin is very small between the text and image. If I do 3.4, you can see it's going to be a large margin like this. We can keep this maybe on 1, 2, and we can make this maybe like this. I think this is good. You also have some position options here, so you can choose move with text or fix position on page. So this is how you can wrap basically text around the image. Now if you want to maybe do something different, you have also other options. So you can do break text, which means it's going to be like in between the texts. So it's not going to be wrapped around, but in the middle. You have behind the text another way. So you can put this behind the text. Then you can resize it to make this larger. And to make the text stand out more, I'm gonna click on image options at the top, then adjustments on the right side. Here you can change contrast, brightness, or opacity. So let's make this maybe to 35 or 38. This is good. And now you have image behind the text. And this was a quick video how you can wrap text around the image. So just select the wrap text and it's going to be wrapped around the text. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.